crazy people, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. Okay, and it's around 7:45 in the morning. There's the sun rays, vitamin D. Okay, so we've planned a small trip. I won't tell you where we are going. You'll see it further. Like, I'll show you the destination afterwards on the way or somewhere, but I'll show you. Wait for it. And I'm sorry if I yawned in the first because I was sleepy. अरे मैं साथ नहीं 6:45 को उठी और डायरेक्टली नहाने चले गई थी. एंड नहाने के बाद क्या नींद आ रहा मेरे को अभी. पर वी हैव टू गो, so we'll go. So if you're thinking who all are going, it's my family, that is me, mom, dad and bro, and my uncle's family, that is my mama, Datta mama, his wife and 2 children, that is Kavya and Manvik. I hope you all saw them, small ones. I'll show them if you haven't also. You'll recognize. Kavya is frequent in my channel. Okay, so I should have my breakfast and I should get ready and then we'll go. Bye. I had my breakfast. Datta mama also has come. So we all are going in one car and we'll be going from the outer ring road, and it is my first time. I never went on outer ring road before, so it will be fun. And the weather, I am so very happy and satisfied, I can say. I was praying to God last night that the weather should be good, and at last, like, wow, like it's so cloudy and good. I love the weather. Thank you, God. Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
How much?
This much. There we are going to play cricket.
Where we are going?
Yes.
They don't know. We'll tell them.
No.
Kaiko?
We'll not tell them. We'll show them.
Oh, okay. So we'll go and we'll show you guys. Be ready. Keep watching.
YouTube channel.
What?
हंसेगा.
So, all ready? चलो जाएंगे. Bye. Okay guys, so unfortunately outer we are not going to go because Google Maps is showing another shortcut route. Outer is taking how many kilometers, Papa? 44 something, and the Google Maps is not showing outer one. It's showing around 25 kilometers. So we'll go that way. I'm sad. Guys, what happened was the Google maps में we kept a 2-wheeler one, but 4-wheeler one was not it's showing outer. So finally we are on the outer and I am enjoying. Woo!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Okay guys, so we have reached the destination and it is a temple. So this is called Datta Peetham and it is near Dundigal. So I just love this. The entrance is like so very beautiful. I'll just show it to you. Can you just see that? Oh my god, so beautiful. Wow. Can you see that? So very beautiful. And I really loved it. I think you should visit this place. It is called Dattapeetham and it is near Dundigal. Actually, there's nothing like history. We have prayed to the god, and they told not to shoot inside, so I couldn't. And there's nothing like history. It's a big temple, and there's some ashram kind of a thing where people come and sit. Some gurujis come. So yeah, but the place is really nice. I loved it. It's very relaxing. Guys, so we are finished with this temple. Like, we visited this and it's good. There's not a lot of history, but it's nice to visit. Now we are going to Veerabhadra Swami temple that is near Bontapalli. So yeah, I'll meet you there. It's like some 12 kilometers from here. We have come to the second temple and there's lots of rush. So I hope you can hear me. They're all mantras going on, so I'll show you the temple. Lots and lots of rush over here. Actually, there's not that much of rush on the regular days, but today, the 18th of November only. Actually, today is my mom and dad's anniversary, so we have come here. और आज कुछ special कुछ हो रहा था, कुछ honey डाल रहे थे God पे, so everybody has come and there's a lots of rush. But yeah, we have successfully finished the puja and now we are thinking to go to hotel or somewhere. Refresh yourself. Drink.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Drink Maaza to refresh yourself. Now we are going to have lunch in some hotel.
That also we are not going to this.
Are you hungry, Sai?
Yes, very much.
Hi Mana. Mana, hi. Hi. The specs which doesn't fit his face. Wow. We just got down and look at this place.
Wow.
See guys.
I want to go there.
It's all farm and it's so beautiful. It's all like farm and all. Cows. So beautiful. बहुत beautiful. खट्टा खट्टा इमली है. छी. Finding a farm type vibe over here. All cow dung. Hi cows. Whoa, it's getting up. Hey, Sai, slowly re. मस्त मजा आ रहा. How is it, Kavya?
मस्त.
Oh guys, papaya.
Rice.
All these are rice farms. We just came out to take some pictures and it's so beautiful, guys. फ़ोटो शूट तो हो गया. अब हम लोग लंच के लिए कोई होटल में जाके विल हैव लंच. बट गाइज दिस wow, I'm fallen in love. I just love farms and this vibe near farms, like you know those wells and गाय है और हट्स है. मेरे को ऐसा बहुत 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 अच्छा लगता. बट सांप गेम पाके काटा तो फिर समझ में आता आपने. बट I love this. So we're going to have lunch now. I don't want to leave this place. And you can see papayas also. I'll just show it to you. What are you doing? Wow. Pluck more.
Catch this one.
Wow, guys, just look at this. And this is all cow dung.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Papa, nice one is there. Nice one.
Cow dung, cow dung. Look at them, guys. Wow. Leave this place, but I can't stay here also. कहाँ पे stay करते? But this farm vibe is so nice. How is it, Kavya?
This is a village. Very nice. Very good, very good, very good. I like it.
मैं तो ऐसे हट्स में रहना पड़ता मेरे को. मेरी फट जाती ऐसा रहे तो मेरे तो. I miss you farms. Bye.
पापा
मैया घर पे आ गए हम लोग अभी. Ignore the background sounds, please. Okay. हाँ, so we had our lunch at Pista House and I couldn't shoot because बहुत भूख लग रही थी. ऐसा we were ordering, food was coming and I was eating full फटफट full fast में. And yeah, as it was my mom and dad's anniversary, we made a small trip. So we visited temples and these two temples were like I never visited them. It was something new for me and my family also. Dad had heard about that places, so he thought we'll go. And Datta Mama and his family gave us company, and we enjoyed a lot. It was a small and short, cute trip. Farm, like we were on the way, and those farms were opposite like the roads, and I just told my dad that we'll stop for some photo shoot, and oh my god, I just fell in love. I love farms so very much because you know वहाँ पे जाते कि थोड़ा like village type माहौल रहता, wells रहते, गाय रहता, forget it. So हाँ मेरे को बहुत पसंद आता वो सब, and then I took some photographs and all, and the pictures turned out so well that I told my dad I'll make frames of those. And yeah, घर पे आते कि अपने कपड़े में अपना बेड, अपना सोफा, अच्छा बैठ के लेटना, you know, you feel so satisfied and comfortable. That's true, it is true. Hit like, do you ever feel that? Because car में बैठ के, hotel में जाके, even though the hotel is full 5-star also, your home का feeling is something different. And yeah, so I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the short trip. Even you can visit those temples. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Oh, we'll ask them they came. Come here.
Yes, what?
You'll enjoy it, huh?
Very much. I want to go again, but yes.
That farm was very nice. Mana, come here.
I removed Imli. You saw no guys?
Yeah, he was taking Imli. And Kavya is like in every vlog of mine. Sab vlogs mein rehti. And Mana! Hi kar.
Hi.
Hi. So everybody of us enjoyed. Everybody of us enjoyed a lot. And we'll make more trips like this.
Yes. Yes.
We'll go to Goa. We'll go to
Many
trips. Tell them to like, share and subscribe.
Like, share. Wait. Subscribe to not do now, guys. You see. Like also do. Share to.
Doing dhamki only. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Forever Hansika.